Resetting your PC lets you perform a clean reinstallation and update of Windows while keeping your personal data and most Windows settings intact. In some cases, a clean installation may improve your device performance, security, browsing experience, and battery life if you are using a laptop. To reset your PC, go to on the Windows icon on the bottom and then go into the settings. Once you open the settings, you need to go into the Windows update and security. Now in the recovery section, and here you will see the get started. The reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So once you click on this, you will get here the two options. Keep my files, remove my files. If you don't see the options to restore pre-install apps, it means your PC does not have pre-installed apps configuration. Anyways, now here you will get the two options: remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. The second option, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. Now if you want your data saved, then you can go with the first option and it will take a few seconds and you will get here another options. The cloud download, the local reinstall. For local reinstall, you don't need a USB or any iOS or Windows CD, and the upper one is download and reinstall Windows will help you more better if you have a better internet connection. Now it's on you. If you have a good internet, you can go with the upper option. If you want to reinstall your Windows, then you can go with the local reinstall. Make sure you don't need any CD or USB for the lower option. Just click on it and it will automatically reinstall your Windows. That will help you. Now the important notice is here: resetting your PC or using fresh start will remove most of your apps including Microsoft Office, third-party antivirus softwares and desktop apps that came pre-installed on your device. You will not be able to recover removed apps and will need to manually reinstall those apps. You may also lose your digital license and digital content associated with app, which may impact your ability to use these apps or app related content you paid for. So I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.